Hello everybody, welcome to ChinesePod. I'm Joy.
And I'm Joe.
Welcome to today's episode of
Qing
Qing
Wen.
Wen. Today we're going to talk about something our subscriber has asked us, which is the difference between 展示,显示,表示. Wow.
Okay, so they're all related to 示.
示,对. So 示 we can loosely define it as show, display, to portray, to tell. Something that we want to put out there for people to know. And this can apply to statements, it can apply to people and things, and we're going to be giving you a lot of context. So rather than focusing on the specific definitions of each, even in English, there are a lot of interchangeabilities and similarities, but we're going to give you different contexts and some sentences and examples so that you can understand these a little bit better.
So we're starting with 表示.
好，我们第一个词是表示。Joe，你会怎么用表示？
表示 like to state or express something.
So a person would be making the statement.
Like 我妈妈表示嘛.
Wow, 你妈妈好 formal. Your mom is very formal. So in this case, when we use 表示, we're giving a formal or official statement.
Okay.
And it doesn't necessarily have to be a written statement, but it's like a declaration almost.
Okay.
So if you say 妈妈表示,
My mama declared.
My mama declared that this year there will be no more toys. 妈妈表示今年没有玩具.
So you said more formal.
Hello! We are so glad that you're enjoying this video so far, but you're not getting the full lesson here. The full lesson and the rest of this video are available on our site, ChinesePod.com. Give it a try and see how much more we have to offer. We have exercises, expanded examples, vocabulary, and downloadable material. You cannot get that here on YouTube. So visit our website today, enter GRACE as the promo code, and get 20% off our premium subscriptions. I'll see you at ChinesePod.com.
But hurry, only the first 300 subscribers are allowed to redeem this deal. Use promo code GRACE for 20% off your entire premium subscription and launch your real learning experience.
ChinesePod, ChinesePod.